Go, 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 go. Go. Go fight them. Go, Mimi, fight, fight. Oh no. Ayan yung kulay na aming pader. Oh. Look at this. Ah, this is Mimi's water balloon. Throw ba yan? Okay, more. Throw ba yan? Meron silang kalaban dun sa kabila. So, nilagyan ko si Mishka ng oil so hindi masyadong dumidikit yung kulay sa kanyang mukha. Halun.
There's plastic.
Happy Holi! Happy Holi! Just had our holy party doon sa taas. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kasi ang hirap mag-vlog tapos naglalaro kami ng colors. Ilang beses akong nagsabon, nag-scrub para lang matanggal yung blue. As in kanina, blue kami guys. Naging smurf kami kanina. Dito tayo sa taas kasi dito yung handa nila ni mga dito. Meron silang mga special dishes na handa for holy.
Blue now, blue.
What?
And my hand color is
Let me see your color.
green.
Green. And Mimi?
Green now also.
I tried so hard na i-scrub yung kamay namin ni Mishka. So guys, yung handa ng mami po, this is chutney, I think. Dahi bara. Katal and alu or jackfruit and potato. Kain muna tayo. Dito naman kina Honey, meron siyang nilutong chicken. So the rest na mga festivals or celebrations, they are not really cooking non-veg sa araw na yon because they are doing puja. But Holi is the only festival na pwede silang magluto ng karne. Dumami na yung laman ng aking plato. We have chicken, alu, and katal, and poha, and pulao. Mommy is making namkin. Yan yung kanyang dough. Now we are ready for our holy celebration. Mommy is also ready. Yan pa, meron pang poha, gulab jamun. Ito pa yung mga luto ni Mami kanina, guys. Ano ito? Namkin. This one. Namkin. For holy celebration, we have gulal and yung namkin na handa ni Mami. Almost everyone is ready. Sabi natutulog. Galing kasi ito kina-harsh kanina. After namin ng holy, sila ni Aaron G pumunta doon, kina-harsh. And now, he's taking a nap. Shht, pagod yan. Shht. Happy Holi!
Happy Holi.
Happy Holi. Why only yellow color we have?
No, I have more color, Bobby.
We have when you boys put to us na make it good also, so when we take picture it's looking good. You boys will just put like this.
Happy Holi.
Go and sleep.
Go back to sleep. our food for Holy. Lahat to hinanda nila doon sa taas. Wala kaming niluto, guys. Kasi sila na daw yung bahala sa food. And then, yan, snacks and gulal. Dito naman sa site nito. Gulal or yung ating holy colors. Thank you.
Fofadia.
Happy Holy.
Bobby, take family to
Happy Holi! Happy Holi! Happy Holi! आप हरा क्यों लगा रहे हैं?
Aw, thank you. Hindi yan makakatagal sa Apina yung sahig alikabok.
Jay.
Nakaalis na yung aming bisita. Now, it's our time to eat. Nakakain naman kami kanina, pero parang noche buena. After ng bisita, alas 10 na ng gabi, guys. Aalis lang nila. We were busy playing earlier. That's why you did not eat. Masarap yung gawa ni Mami na tomato chutney. You like it, Mimi? What Daddy J has made? Tomato chutney. Good job. Masarap din ito. This is also good, Han?
Yeah.
Biscuit. What Mommy has made. Meron tayo diyang dry fruits and nuts. What happened? Which one you like? Our Holy in Bangalore, in Madikeri, or in Patna? Which one you like?
Madikeri, Bangalore, Patna.
3 places you like. Okay, but you enjoyed today? Yeah, she got boo-boo. Did you enjoy today or not?
Yeah.
So this is our first Holi here in Patna, guys. We have celebrated Holi but in different places. Like Bangalore, in Madikeri, and first time here in Patna after 7 years. No, almost 7 years na pagtira ko dito. This is our first Holi in Patna.
How long were they to leave Patna?
We'll stay here.
How long were they to leave?
Do you want to stay here or not?
Yes, but how long were they to leave?
Forever.
Can you count how many were they to leave?
How many years?
Yeah.
Many, many years.
Can you count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Maybe 10 years. Once again, happy Holi to all of you guys.
Happy Holi, everybody. I think you like the channel. Click the bell and the like. So bye bye.
Good night. Bye.
Good night.